friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight for dessert, I'm in the mood for some rice pudding. So come on along while we get this started. All right, friends, let's get started with making our rice pudding. We're gonna need water, vanilla extract, can of sweetened condensed milk, can of evaporated milk, rice, sugar, milk, and cinnamon sticks. So let's get started. First, we're gonna go ahead and put our 4 cups of water into our saucepan. Go ahead and turn on the heat, and we're gonna drop in a couple of cinnamon sticks. Since these are small, I'm gonna go in with 3. Now I'm gonna need 2 cups of rice, and we're gonna go ahead and wash this rice. And we're gonna wash this until the water runs clear. You see how it's like milky? We're gonna keep washing this until it's all clear. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add this to our water. Go ahead and give this a stir, and we're gonna let this start cooking. And we're gonna wait until all of this water is mostly absorbed into the rice. All right, friends. So most of the water has been absorbed into our rice. So we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna go through and we're gonna pull out all of our cinnamon sticks. All right, now we're gonna go in with a can of evaporated milk, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and I'm gonna fill this can up with regular milk. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a nice stir, and I've got some vanilla extract. I'd say that was about a tablespoon. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. Go ahead and put your lid back on, and every couple minutes come in and give it a stir. And we're gonna let this go until our rice has completely softened. All right, you can see that it's really starting to thicken up as your rice continues to expand. Make sure you're scraping the bottom so that you don't get any sticking to the bottom and burning, because that would not taste good. And just continue going. I just got done tasting mine and it tastes perfect, but the rice is still a little bit undercooked, so I'm gonna continue to cook it until that rice is perfectly cooked. All right, friends, so I went in and added 1 more can of evaporated milk because it was a little bit too thick and the rice still hadn't quite softened to my liking. All right, friends, it's all done. Look at how beautiful that looks. I am gonna go in with some more cinnamon. Just sprinkle that on top. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that in. Now you can always add raisins to this while it's cooking if you like raisins. I am not a raisin person, so I do not add raisins. But go ahead and do that if you like it. All right, let's get ourselves a bowl. All right, let's give this a try. All right, friends, so here is our rice pudding, or Arroz con Leche. I know I can't roll my R's, so don't come at me in the comments. But this is my favorite. I love this stuff. If you like it a little bit thinner, you can always add milk. You can add raisins, you can add more cinnamon on top, whatever you want, you can add to it. But for me, I like it just like this. So let's go in and try it and see how it turned out. Creamy, the rice is perfect, it's done completely, there's no crunchy bits in it. So you just kind of have to watch it and let it continue to cook. Taste it here and there. If it needs more liquid because it's thickening up too fast, just add some more milk. Either the evaporated milk or whole milk will work fine. And just keep stirring and just be patient because this is worth it. So friends, drop down in the comments what you think about this. Let me know. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.